Good day, grade 1. Good day, grade 2. How are you today? Whenever I say, good day, grade 1. Good day, grade 2. How are you today? You will answer it with, hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. I feel good today. Did you get it? Again. Good day, grade 1. Good day, grade 2. How are you today? Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. I feel good today. Very good. I also feel good because you are able to attend in our science class today. But before we start our lesson, let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher May. Teacher May. M-A-Y. May. Again, can you say it please? Very good. My name is Teacher May. As we start our class, you must always remember our 2 classroom reminders. The first one is, you must always have your eyes on your screen. Eyes on your screen. You must not wander your eyes around because you will get distracted, and that is bad because you will never able to get to learn our lesson for today. The second one is, you must listen attentively to what the teacher is saying. I am the teacher and you are the students. And the students must always listen attentively to their teacher for you to learn our lesson for today. Again, what are the 2 classroom reminders? We must always have our eyes on your screen. Then, listen attentively to what the teacher is saying. Very good. Now, as we begin our lesson, let's try to sing a song. Who among you are excited to sing a song? Wow! All of you are so excited to sing a song. Now, stand up and sing along and enjoy the song.
Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The roots, they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots, they hold the plant in place, soak up food and water too. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, bring water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun and help the plant make food.
Very good. And because you all did a great job in singing and dancing, let us all give ourselves ang galing clap. And this is how it works. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing galing. Again, together. Ang galing. Ang galing. Ang galing galing. Now you may take your seat. Do you know that the plants have their own parts? Yes, it is. And that will be our lesson for today. For grade 1, we will be learning what are the parts of the plants. And for grade 2, we will be learning the parts of the plants and their functions. Plants have external parts that helps them grow, survive, and reproduce. These parts include roots, stem, leaves, fruits, and flower. Do you have a plant at home or in your surroundings? If you ever see a plant, get that plant. Now that you have a plant, let's try to explore these parts and their functions. Again, what are the 5 parts of the plants? We have the roots, stem, leaves, fruit, and flower. And these parts of the plants have their own functions. Yes, they have their own job. Teacher, how do you say so? Okay, let's try to find out how these 5 parts of the plant functions. The first part of the plant that we will be exploring is the roots. Roots can absorb water and minerals from the soil and holds the plant in the ground so that it does not fall over. Do you know that the parts of the plants can be eaten like roots? Yes, it is. Some examples of fruits that we usually eat are carrots, potatoes, and beets. The second part of the plant is stem. Stem is strong and helps hold the plant up. It also lets the water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. Do you also know that stem can also be eaten by people? Yes, it is. Some examples of stem that we usually eat are celery, asparagus, and sugarcane. The third part of the plant is leaves. Leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. Leaves come in any different shapes and sizes, but most leaves are flat and green. Some examples of leaves that we usually eat are mint and spinach. The fourth part of the plant is fruits. Fruits are the parts of the plant that protect seeds and help the seeds get moved from place to place by animals. And this part of the plant is our favorite. Some examples of fruit that we usually eat are mango, eggplant, tomato, guava, squash, etc. And usually, animals like to eat fruits because they taste sweet. The fifth part of the plant is flowers. Flowers are the part of the plants that make seeds and fruits. Flowers are colorful, so they can attract animals like hummingbirds and bees. And yes, flowers can also be eaten by people. Some examples of fruits that we eat are lavenders and roses. Again, for grade 1, what are the parts of the plants? Correct. The parts of the plants are roots, stem, leaves, fruits, and flowers. For grade 2, what is the function of roots? Very good. Roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and hold the plants in the ground so that they do not fall over. What about the stem? What is the function of the stem? Good job! Stem is strong and helps hold the plant up. It also lets the water and nutrients flow up to the leaves. How about the leaves? What is the functions of the leaves? Yes, leaves collect sunlight and make food for the plant. And for the fruits, what is the function of fruit? Correct. Fruit protects the seeds and helps the seeds get moved from place to place by animals. And the last one, what is the function of flower? Yes, flower makes seeds and fruits. Very good! Now that we have identified the parts of the plants and their functions, let's try to learn their importance. the importance of these parts, and the importance of the plants in our surroundings. I will ask you some questions and you have to answer it, okay? The first one is, what will happen to plants if they don't have parts? What will happen to plants if they don't have parts? For grade 1, what is your answer? Thank you, very good. Again, what is our question? What will happen to plants if they don't have parts? Of course, plants will not be able to grow, survive, and reproduce. If plants don't have parts, what will happen to them? They will be nonsense. They will not be able to grow, survive, and reproduce. The second question is this. What will happen if the plant will become endangered or already gone in earth? For grade 2, what is your answer? Very good, thank you. If plant will become endangered or already gone in earth, then we will not have a food to eat. People will starve to death because plants are endangered. There will be no food to eat. Very good. The plant is also important on earth because the plant gives food to the people so that the people will never get hungry. That is why grade 1 and grade 2, you must always protect our plants and never destroy it, okay? Very good. Now for grade 1, I will be showing you some pictures and you have to identify what part of the plant is this. Did you get it? Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. The first picture is this. What part of the plant is this? Can you tell me? Very good. This picture is a part of the plant that is called roots. This is roots. Next, what part of the plant is this? Can you give me the answer? Very good. This picture is stem. Stem is a part of the plant. The third one is this. What part of the plant is this? Can you tell me? Very good. This picture is leaves. Leaves is part of the plant. Next, this picture. What part of the plant is this? Can you give me the answer? Very good. This is fruits. Fruits is part of the plants. For the last one, what part of the plant is this? Can you give me the answer? Very good. This picture is a flower and flower is a part of the plants. Good job! And because of that, let us all give ourselves ang galing clap. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing-galing! Very good! Now, for the grade 2, I will also be showing some pictures of the parts of the plants and you have to tell me how these parts functions, okay? Did you get it? You just have to tell me what is the function of these parts. Now, are you ready? Okay, let's start. The first picture is this. What is the function of this part? Can you tell me? Very good. This part is what we call roots. And the function of roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and holds the plant in the ground so that they do not fall over. Very good. The next one is this. What is the function of this part? Can you tell me the answer? Very good. This part is what we call stem. Stem is strong and helps hold the plant up. It also lets the water and nutrients flows up to the leaves, and that is the function of the stem. Now, for the third one, we have this part of the plant. What is the function of this? Anyone, can you give me the answer? Very good. This part is what we call leaves. And the function of leaves is to collect sunlight and make food for the plant. The next one is this. What is the function of this part? Anyone, can you give me the answer? Very good. This part is what we call fruits, and the function of fruit is to protect the seeds and helps the seeds get moved from place to place by an animal. And the last one, we have this. What is the function of this part? Can you give me the answer? Very good. This part is what we call flower. And the function of flower is to make seeds and make fruits. Very good, grade 2. Now, we will be having a short activity for grade 1 and a short activity for grade 2. The first one to have a short activity is the grade 1. Are you ready, grade 1? So, grade 2, please stay quiet and do not disturb the grade 1, okay? For grade 1, I want you to label the parts of the plants that is being asked on the picture. Okay? I will give you 2 minutes to answer the activity. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now for the grade 2, I want you to match the terms in column A to the descriptions of column B. Did you get it? Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, let us start. Again, I am so happy that you are able to attend in our science class today and you get to learn the parts of the plants and their functions. As we end our class, I am your teacher, Teacher May, and thank you for joining in our science class. Goodbye!